Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
I'm going to feed the goose. Look at these guys. Hello, guys. Why they big na big? They come out here. Douglas, nine. Vicky, Douglas. You see the grass is the dog. It's not yet. Guys, you see, I gave them a food. They feed the. Wait, I put in here, guys. Okay, so you will see me. I give them a food. Put in here, guys. So anyway. So there we go, guys. Ayan, kita nyo. Diba? Here, come here. You see? Beautiful, or diba? I give them a food also. Stay there. So you will see, I feed them. I don't know where I can put this. So guys, stay there. My bag is falling, of course, and dirty. There you can put there. Alas, hindi Douglas din.
Wenn da die Enten kommen, ist ja Wasser. Douglas, beruhig dich jetzt. Ruhe.
This one. done fertig.
And give the last also some.
So guys, Turkey, I show you. So ayan guys, I hope that you enjoy my video feeding the goose and this swan. So ayan guys, thank you for watching guys. Thank you for watching. I hope we enjoy these all animals. Beautiful. And look at there's somebody who's making the boating. So ayan guys, thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Guys, ayan. After we give the goose feed or give the bread, we're going to explore here guys. Oh sad, we don't show the call. So here had a very historical this place guys. You see, nakikita niyo yan, this guys. I don't know what is this. Maybe this is before for the water, or I don't know, because here they have the carbon ano ba yung minahan yon. They have the minahan ng carbon. Ayan guys, I show you. There we go guys, ayan. This is it, pansit. O, diba? Pansin nyo siya. It's very ano yan. Ari ko. Diba? Panahon ni Lolo Hitler nyo yan dyan. O, diba? Kaya marami ditong bungka. Mga tunnel. There we go guys. Eating. It's nice. Fresh. Guys, we're making a picnic and we have here, there we go, Victoria, Lucky, there. Picnic. But with eating, you see guys. So nice. There we go, and we're eating rice with like giniling. One more. Bye. Thank you for watching.